Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you a super quick trick in Excel, how to format numbers so they display leading zeros like 001. Perfect for product codes, zip codes and more. Let's dive right in. First up, open your Excel sheet where you want to add numbers with leading zeros. Click on the cell where you want to enter a number with leading zeros. So for here example, I'll be writing 001. So what you need to do is put in an extra apostrophe and then write 001. But it might be hectic to write apostrophe under everyone, so we'll be using another technique. So what you're gonna do is select a column, then go to the number tab. Click on it. Here in the categories option, choose on custom. Then you can see here are various options, but what you need to do is type in 000. This format tells Excel to display at least 3 digits, adding 0 in front if there are less than 3 digits. Now then click on OK. Now here you can see I can write 001, 002, or even when I write 1 or 2, it will again display it with 00 in the front. Now let's write two-digit number. I'll be writing here 21. So you can here see it has become 021. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to keep these important leading zeros in Excel.